Okay, so I'm driving in Langford, Colwood, BC, I guess. It's a nasty ass snowstorm. I'm kind of used to it because I lived up in northern BC. So this isn't too bad, but yeah, this is the road. This is kind of nasty as hell. They don't really know how to take care of the roads here. They don't really do a great job on plowing and such. As you can probably tell from the roads. We'll hopefully add more soon. Just about. You ready for a walk to the store?
Nope.
In this frigid freaking cold. We got nailed with like a dump of snow last night. Like a ridiculous amount of snow last night. These were our tracks from, what, like, when did we leave? Like 2 hours ago? 3 hours ago we went outside?
Yeah, about 3 hours ago.
And these were our tracks. Can you see them? And neither can we. Wow. Yeah. Holy crap. Look at this. Our foot tracks are completely gone.
Yes, we are doing this. We were walking to the store just to get...
Yeah, I don't know if you can hear Amanda or not, but we are literally walking to the store just to get me a smoke. Just for something to smoke. This is our truck, stuck in the snow. It ain't going nowhere right now. I had to like pull it ahead or something.
Yep, we tried to get her out.
Maybe we'll try that when we come back home or something, I don't know. The car guy shoveled his driveway out nicely. He can get out.
Yeah.
Lots of room to get out there. Whatever. Screw Parm. I'm gonna try and shovel out the front of my truck eventually here, I think. And I'm gonna pause my video for a moment.